Number 3, Bilyones. Coaches number 13, Donnie Rick. Yan si Ocampo. Yan si Ocampo, libre masahe. Follow up by Bumbo Studio. Yes, my team. Number 9, Silas. Pagkakatangay. Team is now full of jumper.
Basa din yung mula, basa.
Number 3, Bilyones. Tugani David. Holds it up. No good. Bubongo Studio. Napaka-basic by jersey number 33, Bubongo Studio. Number 9,
PBA, pero yan na, nag-MBA na lang yan.
Giminales. Tuda. Silis. Follow up by Giminales. Yes for 2. Using the glass.
Batang.
Score.
Yeras niya ako ni Kuan.
Mayawit liwat, mayawit.
In favor of
Studio makarit ito.
CRT Brothers. Number 45, Bakrael. Yes for 2.
6 minutes and 35 seconds. First period.
Number 18, Dangay. Slashing to the paint. No good.
Pa.
Ayan.
Arisil ay.
Bubongo Studio using the glass. Yes for 2.
Ako ulit mag-ino yan.
Number 9. Number 18, Bakatay.
Pagod na si Barakal!
Number 3, Bilyones. Tugani David.
Lalakad na lang!
Ocampo. Team by Bakatay. Sabi
Nga, hindi ko
Bakatay.
na yung referee.
Alex. To Pilayo. Yes for 2. Official running score. 8 versus 4 in favor of the PBA region. Di Ocampo. Drop to Studio. Back again to Di Ocampo. Lebre Masay sa ilalim. Follow up again by Bumbo Studio.
5 minutes.
Bakatay, crossover move. Seals for 3. Very good. Rebound by jersey number 95. Sealed by jersey number 56. Tangan. So back to Pilayo. Pilayo. Crossover move. Elbow jumper. Bilyones. Toko Studio. Agawa ng bola. Seals Giminales. Giminales. Slashing the paint. Salas for 3. Wala pa rin talaga. Maragayan.
Teka.
Using the glass. Mas maganda pa sa umaga.
The score. 12-4 in favor of DRG Brothers.
Giminales to drop. No good. 4 minutes remaining time for the first period. Number 3, Bilyones ang may tala ng bola.
Comedy!
Tugani David. Number 3, Bilyones. Pumugol ang 3. Rebound by Giminales. To Pilayo. Pilayo. Block of the 1 by Pilayo. Brought to by Isinubo sa ring. Number 3, Bilyones. Intercepted by Bakatangay. Bakatangay. Silis. Pupugol ng 3. Hey! Dos 3! Silis ang pupugol ng 3.
Running score.
Napamasi pala ito. Ngayon, nakapipigil.
9-12.
Mapatay.
Anderson by Gary David, Williams.
3 minutes.
To Gary David. Back to Williams. Williams. To Gary David ulit. Holds it up. 3 points by El Granada.
Babagang
2
kamay.
minutes and 50 seconds. First quarter.
Number 30, Dennis sa pupukol ng 3. Short. Official running score, 15 versus 9 in favor of the Baby Legion.
2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Number 3, Billones. Back to Gary David. To Barakael. Sa ilalim. Follow up. Yan si Dio Campo. Number 18, Bocatangay. Tosilis. Rebound by Paulo.
Ay, nga, pagkikipag.
Paulo slashing.
2 minutes.
Number 33, Custodio. Yes for 2.
1 minute and 50.
Custodio.
Mapapil.
Official running score, 19 versus 9.
Nakahuli si Mapapil.
There's a foul. Who's foul ref?
Ores ko, walang score, Barangay.
Remaining time. 1
Foul,
minute
jersey
and
number
39
Andy, Andy.
seconds.
2 shots.
Meron dito sa amin, walang score.
Substitution.
Okay, okay, kani, okay. Sorry,
First throw is good by jersey number 8.
Bumili si Mark Barangay,
Bakatanga.
bumili. Nagpasaliw na lang ko na rin.
Yo,
Substitution ref. Number 3, Baguio in.
Skyros! Bagyo!
Number 33, Radel Brincampo. Ang pambansang sequel. Second throw.
Yo, score. Score, ito gusto. Eh, dasig inabot. Sayang, bag pa dasig.
Running score. Yes.
El Granada pupukol ng 3. Tabi ka ng bola.
Sinuigi.
Buwan ni pambansang sequel.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
RD over 3. Rebound by Paulo Gimenales to Bakatangan. To Dinista.
1 minute and 12 seconds remaining time for the first period.
Official running score, 9-10 and versus 10 in favor of the PB Legion. Billones to Gary David. Rebound. Take by Billones.
And it's up to 1 minute.
Barakael.
Seconds to play.
Pilayo. Crossover move. Posilis. Bubukol ng 3. Hello!
45 seconds.
By Siles.
35 seconds.
Cyrus Baguio.
30 seconds.
To Barakael. To Gary David.
25 seconds.
Dinisa.
20 seconds.
Slashing the paint. Using the glass. Yes!
15 seconds to play.
Dinista.
10 seconds.
Awara pa.
5 seconds.
Pangatanga